There's a thin line between pride and prophecy. In confidence, prophet. Because you know lentos are but can I prophesy? No, do it. I'm doing it. It's not pride. He understands his position. It's TB Joshua. Who did not have pride in prophecy, who did not boast about the gift. But the man could tell you today, ukuthi next week Thursday, khona I flight ezowela emanzini. Now baba wakho uyabulawa. Bambulala nge-AK47. Wonke umuntu abhekile. Uzothatha i-AK47 wena uyifake entameni uyenze isikhumbuzo sokufa kwababa wakho, because it is a pagan religion. It has nothing to do with Christ. It has nothing to do with Christ at all. Same as the Christmas. Understanding ukuthi even the term uNkulunkulu is not biblical. But it's there in the Bible. It's an error by a white man who came and wanted to say omkhulu.